Step 1 is to find a camera with full manual controls. I'm going to demonstrate on the Leica X1. Maybe you spend all your time shooting on auto, but today let's take a chance and switch some of these settings up and try out light riding. First off, I like it best f/16. That's the narrowest aperture you can possibly have. Then, to give us a long exposure, I'm going to put it to 1+. I'm going to turn on the camera. I'm going to use the timer since I'm doing these myself. Then, once we're at 1+, you see this indicator come up. Turn this dial and you can raise it to 30 seconds. So that's what we're going to do. f/16, 30 seconds. Step 2 is to find a nice dark space. You don't necessarily have to have a black backdrop. You just have to have all the lights off or be outside somewhere where it's dark. Step 3 is to find your writing utensil. You use a big fat light for big fat writing. You can use a tiny little light for nice fine lines. I like to use a shark because when I click his fin, he comes on for the letter, and I let go, it goes off. So there's no turning it on and off in between letters. I just press it down when I want to write. Now, something else you can do is change the color of your writing by using a filter. This is a sample pack I got from Lee Filters. I think it cost me all of $2 to have them send it to me in the mail. And what I can do is I can pick any color gel, tape it over the end of my flashlight, and write in that color. So now, my camera is set to f/16 with a 30-second shutter speed. The lights are turned off. I've got the timer set for 12 seconds. So I'm going to click the shutter button, walk around front, and then write while the camera exposes. And then when it's done, I should see writing on the screen. Now sometimes I want to capture more than just the writing. If I want to show the model or the setting or the scenery or a building, I would start off by exposing the scene with a flash. Now, you can do that with your X1's onboard flash, or you can use multiple flashes to do multiple exposures. After the flash, I then just go to writing in the dark, and I'll have both the exposure and the writing in one photo. All you've got left to do is practice and experiment. So thanks for watching.